Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Suraj Nair and welcome to the today's webinar session. Today we are going to discuss about what is busy agent and what is the use of that and how it is configured, how it should be configured in busy accounting software. So this is the webinar topic. Thanks for joining all of you. Okay, and first thing is, you all of you know that busy agent currently we are having 2.2 version. So busy agent 2.2 version is the latest version, and this utility is available for busy basic, standard, and enterprise edition. All the editions will get this busy agent utility. The main purpose of busy agent utility is it is designed for automatic schedule background activities related to busy, like automatic data backup, automatic payment reminders, and automatic data synchronization, license server, and so on. Okay, so this is the main intention. We have designed the busy agent utility. So as of now, auto backup, that is local drive as well as Google Drive facility, is enhanced in busy agent from busy side, and later on other facilities will be incorporated as soon as possible. Okay, so the busy agent utility is a one kind of exe file that is available in busy.in website, so that we will see later. First thing is, now we will see busy agent is used for why the busy agent is useful. First thing is automatic backup purpose. So all of you know that. So your data will be very much important because the data will contains almost all transaction of that business. So that should be very much important. So that's why you need to keep your data backup very safe and securely. So that's the reason the busy agent will be helpful to you. Okay. So even you can store the busy backup into your local drive as well as Google Drive. So both you can save the busy backup. And second point is data security. So what is data security? So data security is nothing but it's a protecting your data against unauthorized access of a third-party user or any unknown user. So it's a protecting your data. This is called data security. Even if you are using busy agent, means your data will be safe and secure. Okay. And third point is backup scheduling. So using the busy agent application, you should schedule your backup. So for what time the backup has to be taken by the software. So that should be scheduled by the user. So this facility is available in this utility. So before that, busy is having only manual backup method. So manual backup, sometime if you are not taken, then any kind of malware or phishing or any kind of ransomware attack has been taken place. That time the data backup cannot available. The data backup will be lost. Data will be lost. So this kind of scenario we are facing previously. So that's the reason busy R&D team will design this busy agent utility. Here you can schedule your backup as per your timings. So weekly, day wise, you can fix the scheduling here. Totally 3 backup will takes place. So that will be that we will see in the practical session. Okay. So that is the backup scheduling provision is available here. Fourth point is dongle server utility. So dongle server utility why means, so you have to if you want to connect multiple machines or multiple counts in a for busy software, then you should use this dongle server utility. It will helps to connect multiple PC, okay, in a single database. It will help to connect your multiple PC and able to access multiple database. This is called dongle server utility. Even you can connect your multiple systems. Work with all editions of busy with active BLS. So using the agent utility, you can work with all editions. So this busy agent will work with all edition, like basic, standard, as well as enterprise. Okay. And busy BLS is not mandatory for the busy agent, but if you want to store your data backup into your Google Drive, then the BLS is mandatory. So if the BLS will be expired, then your Google Drive backup will not take place. Okay. So these are the advantage and use of the busy agent. Next slide, we will see that auto backup on Google Drive. This is the unique selling proposition feature. So auto backup is very much important nowadays, because no one can show the interest to take manual backup. Sometimes they will forget about that. So that's the reason we will introduce about this option. So why it is very much important means, suppose if sometime if you are not taken the backup, then any of the ransomware attack, you all of you know that ransomware attack has been done, then your data will be gone corrupted. So ransomware, it's a one kind of virus. So malware, you can call it as malware also. Malware is nothing but malware is any of the software intentionally designed to cause disruption to a computer or server or client or computer network. This is called malware or ransomware. So if this kind of any kind of activity has been done in your system, then your data will be lost. That's the reason you should use this auto backup busy agent utility in busy. So this is a very much important feature. Okay. Next is implementation steps. Today we are going to discuss about see the practical session, like how to download the busy agent and how to install that. Next point is general configuration. So in general configuration, you will see that how to configure the busy agent utility. And even in busy agent utility, we are having one more feature called notification also. Suppose the backup is takes place, means immediately the owner or the concerned person will receive the notification via mail or message. That provision is also available. Why it is important means, if sometime backup will not takes place, then they can check the settings. Is there any mistakes has been done on that settings? They can correct that. That's the purpose this notification will help him. Also the backup configuration. So let's today we'll see the backup configuration, how it will work, what are the settings we need to configure in busy agent. Let's see. And license server configuration. So license server configuration means busy agent utility will help you to connect multiple machines or computers. Suppose if you are using multi-users, then in this case, so what happened, busy agent utility will help to connect the multiple systems in a single database. Previously what happened actually, before this busy agent utility, there is a dongle server concept is there. Okay, that time what happened, client server mode, a separate dongle is to be attached with each client machine before that. Okay, for example, if you take an example, if any company or organization, they wants to run busy application on 4 different machines, suppose, okay, or 1 to 4 users to work simultaneously on busy, then we provide 4 different dongles. These dongles are to be attached with each computer on which the company or company wants to run the busy application. So this is the scenario before we are having, but after we are launching the busy agent utility, so we have made a provision in dongle itself to fix the number of user that can simultaneously work on busy. Okay, there is no requirement to connect dongle in each and every system. We can for using the busy agent utility in server system only, you can connect the dongle. So all other system, there is a long dongle not required. So that provision is incorporated in this busy agent utility. Okay, these are the implementation steps today we are going to see practically. And this is the download and installation steps here. First thing you have to do that you have to visit the busy.in, www.busy.in website. There you will get the product section. In that product section, you can download the busy agent utility. Okay, busy agent utility. After the download, you can run the exe setup file. The setup file will be rar format. You need to extract the rar file. Then you just run the file, setup file, and follow the installation wizard. Okay, keep on click on next, and after that finish the installation. So just follow the wizard, installation wizard. Once the installation will be done, you will get the exe, that is a icon. You will get the busy agent icon in your desktop screen. Once you went to the desktop screen in your PC, then the busy agent icon will be you can able to see. So just double click on that, then you will get the general configuration window here. So in this general configuration window, you have to configure all the necessary fields and all the necessary configuration we have to do here. Let's see the practical now. So this is the general configuration screenshot given here. Okay, so then backup configuration. This is the local drive backup configuration. So in which drive do you want to save the configuration? That is a backup file. That drive has to be specified by your side, and you can specify the number of backup in a day and weekly day wise backup. On which day do you want the backup? Just specify over here, and you can able to specify the timing also. Suppose if your shop is opening morning 10 o'clock, then you can fix the timing 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, like that. And evening you can close, your shop is closing almost 8 o'clock, then you can set the timing as 7:30, like that. Then automatically that time the backup will be generated. Okay, so automatically generated. So this is the backup configuration for the local drive. Same way, we are having one more configuration, that is Google Drive backup configuration. Local drive configuration as well as Google Drive configuration, both will be the same. So both settings will be the same, but here you should specify the email ID of the valid user. Okay, valid email ID you need to specify here. Then the backup will be gone through that Google Drive. Okay, so this is the Google Drive backup configuration. Last thing is license server. So license server, I already told that this is used to connect multi-user count or multi-users. So that's why license server is required. So that license server settings will be like this. Okay, just we need to enable this option, dongle server required, yes or no. Just keep it as make it as yes, then click on check security option. So after that, busy will shows the data path of the company, license detail, license number, which enterprise multi-user 21. So the version you are having, soft lock or hard lock, BLS date, everything will be see here. And also it will shows the number of counts. Suppose the license is contains 11 number of count, then it will shows that 11 counts. And counts consumed means how many users now they are active. Suppose only 4 users they are using the software, means they are in this field, that shows only the four counts. So license server is not required for the single user licenses. It's only required for the multi-user and multi-count. That's a multi-count, multiple count licenses. Okay, this is the license server. This used to connect the multiple system. So now we'll move to the practical session here. So let's move to the practical session. First thing we need to check that how to download busy agent utility. The website address is, I already told that, www.busy.in. This is our website. Just go here, then come to the product section. In this product section, busy setup file as well as busy agent setup file, both available. Now I need busy agent setup file. Just download the busy agent. So after that, just come down and see here, this is the download now button. If you click the download now button, one setup file has been downloaded. The file size almost, I'll show you. The file size is almost 4.31 MB file. So you need to extract the file because this is the rare format file. Okay, once you extract it, then you will get the extracted file here only. See that, busy. Control X. I'm just pasting this file into my desktop. This is my desktop screen. Here I am going to extract the RAR file. Once you extract the RAR file, then the folder you will get here. So this is the setup file, busy agent setup file. Just you need to run this file. Okay. Then busy is asking you to run as administration mode. Just click on yes. After that, this is a setup file. Do you want to wish to continue, yes or no? You just click on yes. Follow the installation wizard here. Welcome to the busy agent setup wizard. Click next to continue. Select the busy installed application, busy installed path. Suppose if you have installed the busy software in C drive busywin folder, then you should specify the C drive busywin folder path here. Suppose if you installed busy software in D drive, then you should select the D drive busywin folder here. Okay, now I am selecting only C drive busywin. Next, click on next button. Okay, follow the setup wizard because I already installed. That's why I'm getting the error message. Okay, so if you already not installed, means the busy agent will install. It's getting installed successfully. So this is the busy agent installation and download. So after installation and download, just come to the desktop. Once the installation has been completed, then automatically icon will be generated in your desktop screen. Just you need to double click on that. Here you see that this is the busy agent icon. Just you need to double click on that. So then busy agent will appear here. So this is the busy agent. Here you will get the 4 types of configuration. First one is general configuration, backup configuration, local and backup configuration Google Drive, as well as dongle server. So just press on the general configuration. Here it is asking that database info. Suppose if you are using MS Access database, select the MS Access. MS SQL database means you should select the MS SQL. So MS Access database, it will ask the data directory path. So data directory path, how you know about the data, how you know about the data directory path? Just go to the busy software. Okay, I will show you how to get the information about the data directory. That I will show you. You need to open the busy software. So after that, in company menu, you have the option called set data directory. Yeah, in company menu, here set data directory. Okay, here you can get the information about your data directory. Just copy this data directory and paste here. Okay, paste here. This is a data directory. Suppose SQL database if you are having, then in that case you have to specify the SQL server name. Okay, SQL server name, for example, take an example. SQL server name, it's a system name. First is server. This is the system name slash SQL 2012. So this is the SQL server name. So that SQL server name also available in Busy. You need to go to the company menu. Then here, instead of set data directory, you will get the option called set server information. There you will get the server name information. Okay, so that server name you have to specify over here. Then you should specify the username of the SQL server and password of the SQL server. So username and password, username is SA by default, password that's user defined, that you should specify here. Then the Busy agent will get activated, means it will work. Okay, now I am going to show you the MS Access database here. So I'm selected MS Access and I'm specified my data directory path over here. If you have any other data directory, suppose if you have two additional data paths, suppose one data file in C drive BusyWin folder, another is D drive BusyWin folders, like that. So that time you have the you have the additional data path option also. Okay, additional data path also you can specify here. Then both data directory backup will takes place. Okay, so this is the advantage here. Next, take backup for additional path. If you specify it here, yes, then additional path as well as data the data directory path, both backup will takes place. Okay, next option is email configuration. So that email configuration will help us to send notification through mail or Busy BNS. So through mail. So that's why we need to use this. First thing you have to do that you have to enable this send notification through email option. After that, you have to specify the mail ID over here. My mail ID I'm giving here, that is surajnair@busy.in. After that, if you want to specify one more mail ID, then give the semicolon, then enter the another mail ID. So, okay, and enter another mail ID. So if you want to specify multiple mail ID, then you, in that case, you can specify the semicolon. After that, enter another mail ID. Okay. So next is SMTP server. So in Gmail case, the SMTP server address will be smtp.gmail.com. So Yahoo, it will be different. So different mail providers having different SMTP server. But in Gmail, normally smtp.gmail.com. This is the SMTP server. Okay. So port number by default, it's a 465. And one more port number is there for mail configuration, that is 25. You can use it as 25 also, there is no issue. Or you can use the 465 port number. Okay. Username. Enter the username of the user. So, okay, I'm giving my mail address itself, my mail ID. So then password. Specify the password here. So after specify all those things, once you click on the check mail settings, then if the configuration is correct, configuration you have done is properly, then you'll email sent successfully. Otherwise, you will get the error message here. In that case, you should check all the settings in the mail ID, password, etc. So after the email configuration, below on that, you have one more configuration called Busy BNS configuration. So all of you know that Busy BNS means Busy Business Notification Service mobile app. So that application is available in Apple iOS also, as well as App Store as well as Play Store. Both we are having that application. Once you install the application, it will ask to register your mobile number. So once you registered your mobile number, then that number, if you specified here, then you will get the notification. Once the backup has been done, then immediately you will get the notification in your mobile app. Okay, let's see how it is work. So first, now I am going to specify my mobile number here. This is my mobile number. So next is location. So location is nothing but, suppose if you specify the location here, in this case, busy agent being run in multiple location. For example, 3 or 4 system we are using busy software. All system we are installed a busy agent. In that case, you cannot able to identify the data backup for which system backup it is, so that you cannot able to identify. So if you specify the system name here, then you can easily identify the data back, and the backup also listed in append mode. Okay, so this is the purpose of location. So after that, once the configuration has been done, you can save the configuration. Next, you can go to the backup configuration local. So backup configuration local means the backup has been saved into your local drive. So you only decide that which drive you want to save the backup. So that user defined settings. First thing, you just enable this option, come down, then specify the path for backup. Suppose if I want to generate my backup into my, suppose take an example, I want to generate my backup into my desktop. Specify desktop here, select the path here. Okay, then create backup folder. If you want to take a backup on date company wise manner or company date wise manner, just decide and choose the same. Okay, so date company wise manner means you just first the date comes, then company name comes. Company name date wise means first the company name comes, then last the date will come, like that. Okay, this is the backup folder creation, name creation. Next is select company. Suppose first of all, if you want to take all companies, then you should select all companies, otherwise selected company. So selected companies, if you selected, then all the company you have created on that database, everything will all the database will listed here, all company will listed out here. Then you should select the company one by one, like this. Okay, one by one, you just select here. Okay, after clicking on the company, one window will appear, that is the all company configuration window. Here you should decide that on which weekly day you want the backup. Suppose if you don't want the backup on Sunday, because Sunday is a holiday, so that why just untick on that. So all other days, if you want the backup, then you can tick all the days. Okay, select all. If you want all day backup, then just click select all. Okay, next, financial year. Suppose you don't want the backup of current financial year, previous financial year, then you should select the current financial year only. Suppose if you want all financial year backup, then specify all financial year backup. Number of backup in a day. So suppose you want only one backup, then specify one. Suppose if you want 3 backups, maximum it's 3 only. You can able to take minimum maximum 3 backup in a day. So suppose if you specify here 3 backup, then 3 time slot will be enabled here. First time one, you just specify the timing, it is 11 a.m. Second backup timing is 3 p.m. and the third backup timing is 6 p.m. Okay, so these are the time settings from the user or operator side. So as per your convenient time, you can fix it over here. Next is retain backup for days. So what is retain backup for days? So maximum retain backup for days is 99. Retain backup is nothing but, suppose if you specify it is 8 days, then what happened? So up to after 8 days, the previous backup, the old backup will get automatically deleted. So this is called retain backup. Suppose if you specified here 99 days, then what happened? 99 days old backup will after 99 day more than 99 days backup will old backup will get deleted by the busy agent utility automatically. No need to worry about that. Automatically busy agent will do that. So you just need to specify the number here. Okay, so this is the company information, company configuration. Now I am done the settings of all company here. So you just see the configuration: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 11 a.m., 3 p.m., 6 p.m., all financially like that. You don't want to do the settings from one by one company. In that case, we are having the option called all companies. Okay, if you taken all companies, then one common settings is there, that is a backup scheduling. A common scheduling process will be there. Just click on the backup schedule here, then you do the settings on which date or on which day, on which weekly day you want the backup, or which financial you want, a number of how many number of backup you want in a day, on what time you want, written backup for days, how much you want. So you can decide and fix it in your busy agent utility. After that, you just save that one. So once the configuration has been done, you remember that you compulsorily you need to save the configuration. Sometime if you quit the configuration, then the configuration you need to do once again. Okay, so that's why. So first, after the configuration has been saved, you just come back to the previous window. Okay, the backup process is going on here. Sorry. So yeah, backup configuration local. Now we're done. Next, we're going to see the backup configuration Google Drive. So very simple. Just go to the backup configuration Google Drive setting. Then create backup on Google Drive. Busy agent is asking that create backup on Google Drive is required. No means you specify here no. Otherwise, you if you want, you just specify here why. Okay. After that, it's asking your mail ID. Mail ID. Now I'm giving my mail ID here. This is my mail ID. So after specify your mail ID, click on the authorize button. It's very important. Actually, here what the mail ID you mentioned. So that mail ID is logged in by the system. Suppose if the suppose the browser is not logged in your mail ID, that time you'll get the error message. The mail ID is logged in your browser, then it will authorize the mail ID. Okay, now we will see how it will work. So now I'm going to click on authorize button. You see here the authorization successfully done. Why? Because my mail ID is already logged in by Google Chrome browser. That's why. Otherwise, I need to put my password, put my mail ID, etc. So then only it will authorize. Okay, so this is the authorization method. So next point is create backup folder. Here, same setting, date company wise. If you want, select the date company wise. Company date wise means you should select the company date wise. Okay, and all company settings, selected company settings, scheduling settings is available here. Same like that local backup configuration how we did. So same configuration is available in Google Drive also. Only the change is this is this mail ID specified. So this only one thing is not available in the local drive setting. There we need to specify the local drive path. Here you need to specify your mail ID. That's the difference. Okay. So once the configuration of this Google Drive configuration has been done, then you should click on save button. So save button, then the Google Drive configuration will permanently saved into your utility. Okay. Next is dongle server. So I already told that dongle server, what is dongle server and why it is used. So that settings will be available here. You want the dongle server, then you make it as yes. You specify here yes. Then click on check security. So once you click on the check security, busy is giving the information about your data path, license detail, and version detail, license, soft lock or hard lock, or BLS date, active or inactive, like that. Okay. So this is the information you will get here. Now the count information is deactivated because my license is in single user. Suppose any of the user, they're using multi-user or multi counts, client server edition count. In that case, the total count will be shows here. Suppose the total count will be 10 counts. If they are using only 4 count, then here total counts it will shows 10. Counts consumed it will shows 4. Now my license is just a single user, that's why it's not visible here. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, next after that you just save the settings, that's it. This is a client dongle server configuration. So dongle server is used to connect multiple machines for a single database. Okay, so then this is a dongle server configuration. So these are the configurations in busy agent. So after that you can able to see the configuration detail here: data path, backup path, Google Drive ID, license detail, etc. Here we're having the backup option. Suppose if you want to take a backup here itself, then you can press the backup no option. Then utility is asking, the busy agent utility is asking that which backup you want. Local drive backup you want to perform, or Google Drive backup you want to perform. So I'm not going to do the Google Drive backup or local drive, take it as local drive. The process has been completed successfully. Even I can receive mail as well as notification also. I'm going to check my mail ID. See here, this is my mail address. Inbox, I received the mail, busy agent backup, 28 October 2022, 3:42 p.m. Okay, just I'm open this mail. You can see here. This is the this type of mail the user or owner they can receive in their mail account. A number of companies, how many companies the backup has been done? One company, successful 1, unsuccessful 0. So it's why it is important means, suppose somebody they not aware of the backup process, they assume that the backup is going on automatically, but due to some technical reason the backup will not takes place. Unfortunately, certain time the ransom virus or any malware has been attacked on that computer. That time they'll facing the problem. They thought that a busy agent will doing the backup, but unfortunately the utility, due to some technical reason, not able to done the backup. So that time they can face the problem. That's the reason only we will introduce the email notification and DNS notification facility over here. Okay, so this is the mail you will receive. And one more there is a DNS application that I will show you. So now I'm going to connect my mobile application. This is my mobile application. So this is my I'm going to connect mobile app. How I'll show you how you will receive the notification message. I will show you practically. Actually, the AnyDesk is not working in my mobile app. Let's see. Okay. Anyway, I'm sorry. Actually, AnyDesk is not connecting due to some security problem. Same way, this is the same message you will receive in your mobile application, that mobile app called Busy BNS. Okay, same message you will get. Okay. Next is here itself, you can able to see the backup of Google backup on Google Drive. Just click on the view backup on Google Drive caption here option here. Then utility will automatically redirect it into Google Chrome browser, There you can see able to see your saved backup file. Okay, this is your saved backup file. Date and time both it will show. So 28/10/2022, 2 o'clock to 2 p.m. The backup has been done here. Well, if you want to take fresh backup one more time, you just click on the backup no option, then click on Google Drive. Okay. Okay, backup of Google Drive service completed. Here only you can see the backup on Google Drive. Okay. Just my drive. Busy backup. This is my backup file. Busy backup Suraj. Suraj is the location name. Okay. If you may specify the location name, then you can easily identify the system-wise backup files. Here you see here, that is the 28/10/2022, 3 o'clock, 3:46 p.m. The backup has been done. Okay. Even you want even you can check the space on Google Drive. Suppose the Google Drive there is a 15 GB is free for the space. So if you have any doubt about the Google Drive space, then that time you need to check that one. So that's why we're having the option of check space on Google Drive here only. Just click on that. You see the available space. Available is 29.96. Sorry, if not 15 GB, 30 GB it's free. Totally 30 GB it was free. So on that 30 GB, now I am having 29.96 GB free. Okay. So this is the option we are having. Next is check updates. Now currently Busy is having 2.2 latest version. Any new release or any new enhancement has been done, that time you have to download the new release over here. There is the updates here. Just click on the check updates and just download the new updates here. Next clear button is there. You want to clear the old backup logs, then you clear the logs. Refresh button is there. You want to refresh the backup, then you can click on the refresh. And remove from startup. So normally this is very much important, because what happened, so each and every day you can open the Busy software. That time Busy agent will also get uh, turned on. So that's why you need to add the Busy agent utility into startup. Okay, then only it will possible. If you not add the Busy agent utility into startup, then what happened, you need to run the Busy agent utility manually. Every day you need to enable run the Busy agent utility manually. So it's a difficult process. That's why we are having the option to add startup option here. Okay. So once you add the startup, then automatically Busy agent will turn on and it will do the process. Okay. So this is the Busy agent utility configuration. Okay. So and Google Drive, I show that how the backup will saved into your Google Drive. Okay. So I hope all of you understand today's webinar topic, today's subject. If you have any query, means you can put the messages into my chat box so that I can answer you. So based on the Busy agent utility, where we are getting some kind of questions from the customer, users, and dealer side. So that the important questions will be like that. So that I will explain you one by one. First question is that does Busy Agent take backup on local and Google Drive both? Yeah, Busy Agent will take the backup on Google Drive as well as local drive. Okay. How many times Busy Agent takes backup in a day? Maximum 3 times. Maximum 3 times the backup will take place. Does Busy Agent work automatic or manual? Busy Agent works automatically. Manual backup, that another different process that available in Busy software. Default it is available, but Busy Agent utility, it's a separate exe that will perform automatically, that will work automatically, no need to take manually. Okay. How many days Busy Agent backup can be retained? Up to maximum 99 days backup can be retained. Okay. Is Busy Agent covered under BLS? Only Google Drive backup is covered under BLS. So Busy Agent means not required the BLS. Only Google Drive backup, if you require, then only you need to purchase the BLS. BLS means Busy License Subscription. Is Google Drive backup feature available in Busy Basic model? Yes, now available in all model of Busy. Okay, before that it was not there, but now it is available. Okay. From where to download Busy Agent setup? Just visit the www.busy.in. Then there you can get the Busy Agent setup. So these are the important questions we have received in the market. So apart from this, if you have any kind of queries and doubts, means you can put the messages in chat box. Okay. Okay. I hope no questions from your side. Thank you for joining, all of you. Thank you for your presence. We'll meet once again for the next new topic for the next webinar session. Up to that, see you. Thank you so much. Yeah.